Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another session of solving math problems. We are diving deep into computing math problems, breaking them down step by step, so you can tackle any challenge with confidence. Stay tuned, grab your notes, and let's sharpen those skills together. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's the first question. If the average of A and B equal the average of A, B, and C, then express C in terms of A and B. Below are the choices of answer. A is A plus B. B is 2 times A plus B. C is A plus B divided by 2. D is A plus B divided by 3. In this problem, we are looking for the value of C in terms of A and B. So let's go and solve for it. To start, let's define what is the meaning of the word average. Average refers to the sum of a group of values divided by the number of values in the group. This definition will be our guide in making an equation and computing for the value of C. Givens are average of A and B and average of A, B, and C. By the definition, we may say that the average of A and B is equals to A plus B divided by 2, while the average of A, B, and C is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Another given is that the average of A and B is equals to the average of A, B, and C. Then we may write the equation to A plus B divided by 2 is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Simplify an equation by multiplying both sides by 3 to isolate C. The result will then be 3 over 2 times A plus B equals to A plus B plus C. By using the associative law, we may put parentheses between A plus B. Then we may transpose a whole element to the left side to combine with a similar element. The equation will now be 3 over 2 times A plus B minus a plus B equals C. Now that the similar elements A plus B are on the same side of the equation, we may use the multiplication distributive law. This equation can be written now as A plus B times 3 over 2 minus 1 equals C. Subtracting the coefficients 3 over 2 and 1 is equals to 1/2. Then A plus B times 1/2 equals to C. Therefore, the answer to this question is option C, where C is equals to A plus B over 2. We now have completed solving the first problem. Should you have questions, comment down below. The second question in this session now is, what is the ratio of the perimeters of two similar polygons? If the ratio of their areas is 64, is to 729. Let's do this. Let us define first the perimeter and the area. Perimeter refers to the sum of the distance around an enclosed shape, while area refers to the amount of space occupied by an enclosed shape. The given in the problem is a ratio of the area between two similar polygons, which is 64, is to 729. Solution. This is a trial and error situation since there is no specific polygon given in the problem. Let us use a formula for solving the perimeter and area of a square, which has the simplest formula. The formula for the perimeter of a square is 4 times S, where S is the length of the side, and the formula for the area of the square is S squared. So, finding for the value of S relative to the area is square root of A. Let P1 is a perimeter of polygon 1, and P2 is a perimeter of polygon 2. Then, the formula for the ratio of the perimeter is equals to P1 over P2, which is also equals to 4S1 over 4S2. We can now cancel 4. Therefore, the ratio of perimeter, P1 over P2, is equals to the ratio of the length of the sides of the polygon, S1 over S2, or S1 is to S2, polygon 1, where A is equals to 64. Then, S1 is equals to the square root of 64. S1 now is equals to 8. Further, polygon 2, where A is equals to 729. Then, S2 is equals to the square root of 729. S2 now is equals to 27. Therefore, S1 is to S2 is equals to 8 is to 27, which is option C in the multiple choice. We now have completed solving the second problem. Should you have questions, comment down below. Let's move on to the last question in this session. The average of 7 numbers is 24. The smallest number is 2, and the largest of the numbers is 31. What is the average of the middle 5 numbers? We have choices below of 25, 26, 27, and 28. Let's start solving this. Givens are: average of 7 number is 24, lowest number is 2, and the largest number is 31. The unknown is the average of the remaining 5 middle numbers. Let x is the sum of the 5 middle numbers. The equation now is 2 plus x plus 31 divided by 7 is equal to 24. Multiply both sides by 7 to isolate x. We now have 2 plus x plus 31 is equal to 24 times 7, which is 168. Transposing the coefficients 2 and 31 to the right side to completely isolate x. X now is equals to 168 minus 2 minus 31. Then, x is equals to 135. Remember that the question is the average of the 5 middle numbers. Since we just computed the sum of the 5 middle numbers, we have to divide this x by 5 to get the average. So, the average value is equals to 135 divided by 5. The answer is 27. Therefore, the answer is option C, which is 27. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Should there be questions or requests of math problems to solve, you may comment down below, and I will create you a step-by-step video of computation. Do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button to follow for more. See you on my next video.